lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for March of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? So, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito, or you may resonate lang sa bits and pieces lang, no? Take what's only yours. Cancer, simulan na natin. I feel like meron tayong mga bagay-bagay dito na pinaghahalo-halo, no? Or pinagsasabay-sabay. Or sabihin natin, hindi lahat pinagsasama-sama, pero meron tayong mga iniiwang mga, sort of like aspect of our life. Siguro, mas inuuna natin either itong relationship, and then trabaho, no? Kasi parang we're juggling, no? Things are happening a lot lately. Hindi, kumbaga sa'yo, hindi ko kaya yung sabay-sabay, no? Pero, nagagawan ko ng paraan kung ano man, kung saan man ako nakafocus, no? And I feel like there is some good news. I feel like meron tayong gustong balikan, meron kang gustong balikan, or meron gustong bumalik sa'yo. You can switch the energies. Pwedeng ikaw itong binabasahan ko. Pwedeng ito yung person mo. No? Baka sabihin nyo, ay, nagkabaligtad po. That's okay. What I am reading is the dynamic. So parang sinasabi natin dito, meron akong isang energy na namimiss. It could be also pera, no, na dating nagkaroon tayo, trabaho na nagkaroon tayo, isang experience, event, no, na gusto nating maulit muli. But I feel like, sino ang may kagagawa nito with the 7 of Swords? Kasi I feel like medyo naputol, no? Parang naging panandalian, hinahanap natin with the, or inaantay natin bumalik with the 3 of Wands. But I feel like gagawa tayo ng paraan to achieve it with the 6 of Wands in here. Medyo iniisip lang natin how we can execute, no? Siguro ngayon, nililihim-lihim natin, hindi tayo nagsasalita. Pwede rin naman dito na meron tayo, finifake natin itong nararamdaman natin. Ay, finifake natin itong pinapakita natin, pero deep inside, meron tayong taong sasagutin. No? I feel like we are also breaking silence in here. Doon muna tayo sa breaking silence. Siguro sa ngayon, nagpapaapi-api muna tayo. No? Not because of, for a show. Siguro din, no, to give this person a taste of their own medicine. Kasi, parang sabihin natin, sige, ito pala yung tingin mo, ito yung ginagawa mo. Pero, kumbaga sa pelikula, no, papasuntok muna ako. Siyempre, ako ang bida. Dapat, ako ang magwawagian in the end. Which is, yun naman talaga ang mangyayari. So, ay gusto mo siya ipahiya, no? Dahil lagi siya namamahiya or pinapahiya ka. May pagganti ng kaunti, but in a nice way naman, no? Para kasi ikaw yata ang nagiging catalyst or katapat nitong taong to. It may be again doon sa trabaho to. Why the Six of Pentacles in here? Ito nga yung sinasabi natin. Ibibigay mo or ibibigay sa'yo kung ano yung energy na in-offer, no? But with the Six of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles, so ang nakikita natin dito, are we pretending na masaya tayo sa separation natin dito sa energy na ito? The reason why I mentioned energy, it could be a person, it could be an event, no? But like what I mentioned in here, dating nasa iyo to. With the hindi natin pinapakita, Nine of Pentacles. So masaya tayo pero hindi natin pinapakita na nami-miss natin. For the sake of, I don't know what's reason, wala pa naman dito ibang cards. With the Seven of Swords. So, parang ayaw natin kasing ipakita na we rejected them or we are being rejected. Parang it's your loss, not mine. No? Kung meron man taong dapat malungkot sa sitwasyon na ito, hindi ako, dapat ikaw. No? Yun yung ganon yung mentality. But with the Three of Wands and the Three of Cups, so ang nakikita natin dito, we're waiting for this to happen again. We're waiting for this situation, no? To, oh wow, to be experienced again. So low-key, medyo wala lang sa atin. In the surface, parang ipinamumukha natin na hindi talaga natin siya inaantay. Pero, inaantay talaga natin in reality. There's an angel number 666 in here. Huwag kayong matakot. Again, hindi po yan when it comes to spirituality, no? Spirituality tayo, hindi tayo religious, no? When it comes to this, that's still an angel number. Hindi lang ako familiar, pero kaya ko naman siyang tignan para sa inyo. Tignan natin ang angel number 666. Kayo na rin, no? Mag-research kayo. Kasi ito yung synchronicities niya na the angel number 666 is a positive message that encourage balance, harmony, and spiritual well-being. It can be reminded to focus on your higher purpose and let go of negative thoughts. So, when it comes to balance, so maintain your inner thoughts, emotions, and actions. When it comes to family, prioritize your family connection and domestic life. When it comes to finances, find balance between your spiritual pursuit and practical responsibilities. If this is letting go of a person, release fears and negative thoughts. If this is about manifestations, attract abundance into your life. Now, when it comes to love, put in your daily effort for successful relationship and career. Return to those basics and trust in your unique contributions. Ang dami niyan. But I feel like this is you. You're trying to balance things out. Medyo sinasabi mo nga dito, no? Kaya nga sabi ko, medyo low-key. Ayaw mong ipakita na excite tayo, ayaw mong ipakita na, siguro this is your upbringing. Kaya nga sabi ko, medyo i-minimix mo no? Minimix natin dito yung polarities, no? Excited pero hindi pero excited. Yung, I know nakukuha mo yung gusto kong sabihin. With the Six of Wands in here and the Page of Swords. So there's a specific agreement that's gonna happen in here. And this agreement, I feel like magiging masaya naman tayo with the Six of Wands. So ano ba yung manifestations na inaantay natin? No, with the Hermit in here, so you're choosing not to give in anymore. Kasi parang, ayun, nakukuha ko na. So kasi yung sinasabi mo dito, kapag nag-divulge pa ako ng information, kapag nagsabi pa ako ng mga kung ano man itong nararamdaman ko or naiisip ko, mas lalong gugulo. So, might as well, tumahimik na lang ako. Ipakita ko na lang in the end kung ano yung magiging result. And I feel like you're in the right path, no? Kasi, o nga naman, level of perception kasi ng mga tao kung ano lang yung naiintindihan nila. Siguro hindi ka naiintindihan dito with the King of Cups and the Six of Wands. So your strategy in here is not to let someone, parang hindi mo pinapakita na kailangan madama ka ng ibang tao, no? Secretively sinasarili mo ang mga bagay. Pero there's something either there's something about here na gusto mong i-share sana pero ayaw mo ma-contaminate, no, with others negativities. Kaya siguro ang sabi mo dito, ako na lang. Tsaka ako nasasabihin kapag so either ikaw or yung person mo may pa-surprise sa'yo, breaking the silence of, so may aamin? So, I feel like may aamin, magiging official na. If there's a third party in here with the Seven of Swords, parang kayo na, magiging kayo. Whether it is kayo uli or, you know, kung kayo yung third party, siya yung mag-focus sa'yo, ikaw yung pipiliin. So, yung strategy in here is to parang mawala, no? Alisin yung sarili mo dito sa sitwasyon, at least sa mata ng ibang tao, but with the Six of Pentacles and the Moon card, yun lang ang magiging ano natin. Yun lang ang ating magiging consequence in here, no? Madjudge tayo ng ibang tao, but who cares, di ba? Ang importante dito, hindi mo sila inapakan. Ang importante dito, hindi ikaw ang nauna. Mas pinili mong maging tahimik para makapagparaya dahil alam mo ito yung makakatulong, no? Yung katahimikan ang makakatulong para makuha mo. Ang dami mo kasing ginagawa dito, no? You're strategizing things para makuha itong inaasam mo. And I believe na kung ano man yung combinations na ginagawa mo, I feel like you're the magician in here, no? Nag-experiment tayo sa buhay. You know, matatalisod mo kung ano yung proper na formula, no? Na design para sa'yo. Ang ganda naman ito. Kasi madami man challenges, nandito ka sa trial, error, no? Combining things up. Pero at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang magwawagi with the alchemy that you're doing. Parang sa'yo, pakyo kayong lahat, no? I don't care about what you think about me. At the end, nasa akin ang huling alakha, no? Let's get some more cards here, Cancer. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, nandun po ang ating live session. So, pwede kayong sumali. You're very much welcome to do so. Again, friendly po ang mga tao doon, no? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no, no? So, kung hindi naman kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, di dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, there's a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Question form, name, amount per question, QR code, number, no, for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Bakit ito? Sige, kunin na nga rin natin yan. Knight of Pentacles, siguro ito, no? Sinasabi mo, sige, mag-stay lang ako dito for a little while, but time will tell. I think there's no need for explanation on this. Self-explanatory, no? Um, Parang ano ba? Karma na, no? Karma nyo yan, no? Pero ako, with the time will tell, ipapakita ko sa inyo, no? Na tama ako, na tama ang diskarte ko sa buhay, tama ang ginagawa ko. Hindi nyo man naiintindihan, pero time will tell na lang talaga kung sino ang magiging successful, no? If your mindset is fixed, ayan, try to free yourself from that. Rise above it. Don't place limitations on what you think you can achieve. Don't stand in your own way. Allow yourself to flourish in all ways. Welcome abundance in all forms into your life. And I think that this is what you're doing with the alchemy. No? Ngayon kasi, siguro dati, eto ka. No? Parang robotic ang nagiging buhay natin. Kung ano lang yung araw-araw. Ngayon, you're trying to experiment. You're trying to be a risk taker. No? Don't place limitations. And I think that you are not. You're very expanding. No? And I think that, ang dami mong ang gustong gawin dito. Tulad ng sinabi ko, probably one aspect of your life or combinations. And I think that you will be abundant in all forms of your life. Isa-isa lang, no? Or padala-dalawa. Kaya mo naman. No, napakaganda dahil, again, tulad ng sabi ko, nasa ang huling halakhak, whether this is romantic, personal life, family life, trabaho, finances, no? If this is romantic, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in your chart. Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn. Did I just said Sagittarius? Yes. Yeah, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer is also here. Leo, nasabi ko na. So, paulit-ulit lang siya dito. No? So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You want the best.